Hello everyone, this is Shram from LearnAccount. In this video, I will talk about human-machine interfaces or HMIs, which play a critical role in modern industrial automation. They act as the bridge between human operators and complex machines, enabling us to monitor, control, and optimize industrial processes. Simply put, an HMI is a user interface that allows people to interact with machines, systems, and processes. It provides a visual representation of real-time data, enabling operators to understand what's happening and make informed decisions. Its core purpose is to facilitate safe and efficient operations. HMI panels are made of several key components. The display screen is where all the action happens, showing data and system status in real time. Input devices like touchscreens, buttons, or keyboards allows operators to interact with the system. The software running on the HMI device is what makes everything work smoothly. And finally, communication interfaces such as Ethernet or serial ports connects the HMI to PLCs and other devices. HMIs come in various hardware forms. There are different types of HMI panels to suit variable needs. Operator panels are dedicated hardware with touchscreens or keypads and buttons, perfect for on-site control. Mobile devices, similar to tablets and smartphones, are becoming popular for remote monitoring and control, giving operators flexibility. Panel PCs are industrial computers with integrated screens, offering robust performance for demanding industrial applications. So how do HMI panels work? HMIs perform several crucial functions. They start by collecting data from sensors and controllers. This data is then displayed in a user-friendly format for the operator. Operators can send control commands back to the system to adjust the operations. HMI panels also manage alarms, displaying and recording messages to alert operators of any issues. They log data for historical analysis, visualize trends and graphs to track performance over time, and generate detailed reports for the collected data and alarms. HMI panels are incredibly versatile and are used in a wide range of industrial applications. In production machines like CNCs, they provide precise control and monitoring. In robotics, handheld HMIs are essential for manual control and teaching robots new tasks. In the food and beverage industry, HMIs are used to operate process lines and packaging machines, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Okay, that was a short overview of the HMIs in the industrial automation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you next time.